Best luxury small car for 2025 to 2024 Genesis G70. As the automotive landscape evolves towards 2025, the 2024 Genesis G70 has emerged as the best luxury small car of the year. This recognition underscores the G70's remarkable fusion of sophisticated design, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance, making it a standout in the competitive luxury compact segment. Refined design and premium interior. The 2024 Genesis G70 captivates with its sleek, sporty design. Its aggressive front grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines create a commanding presence on the road. The G70's elegant profile is complemented by a low stance and dynamic proportions, reflecting both luxury and performance. Inside, the G70 offers a meticulously crafted cabin that exudes opulence. High-quality materials, including premium leather upholstery and metal accents, create an upscale environment. The front seats are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort and support, with available heating and cooling functions. The rear seats offer ample space, ensuring comfort for passengers on long journeys. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 G70 is equipped with the latest technology to enhance convenience and connectivity. The centerpiece is a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. This system provides intuitive controls and easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Additional tech features include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, offering customizable displays for essential driving information. The G70 also offers an available Lexicon premium audio system, delivering a high-quality listening experience. Performance and handling. The G70 delivers a thrilling driving experience with its powerful engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 252 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more performance, the G70 offers a 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine with 365 horsepower and 376 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive acceleration. The G70's rear-wheel drive layout and available all-wheel drive system provide excellent handling and stability. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is paramount in the 2024 G70, which includes a suite of advanced driver assistance features. Standard technologies include adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. These features work together to enhance driver confidence and ensure a safer driving experience. Conclusion. The 2024 Genesis G70 stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering a perfect blend of style, technology, and performance. Its refined design, advanced features, and dynamic driving experience make it an exceptional choice for luxury compact car enthusiasts.